Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Harmony One. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that recently Harmony One has broken out a down channel on a daily time frame chart, and this was my last video that I shared almost 24 hours ago with you. And now, if you take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout, now the price line is about to hit this long-term resistance of 1.5 cents. That was recently working at a resistance here and resistance here. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously it had been working as a support here and almost as a resistance here. And therefore now it is again working as a strong resistance for the price line. And by the way, here it was also working as a resistance, this 1.5 cents level. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout that has already happened on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, now the price line is moving inside this very long-term down channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of September 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup for rare, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 9th of September. And you can also want the complete trade signal as well, like this for the buying zone and sell target zone and stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Harmony One. And on the daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past several weeks or even for the past several months, you can see that it was moving inside this channel since after March 2024. You can see that we had bounce here, rejection, rejection, bounce, rejection, another rejection here. Then we had another bounce here, another bounce here. Then we got another rejection here, and finally we had broken out the resistance of this channel a few days ago here on 20th of September 2024. And now the price line is almost reached at this long-term resistance of 1.5 cents that had been recently breaking at a resistance here, and for a few days support here. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this 1.5 cents has been working as a resistance here, almost as a resistance here and support here. And if we move more back here, then in the month of July 2020, it had been breaking as almost as a resistance here and resistance here in the month of August 2019 as well. Therefore, it can be another very, very strong resistance. And after the breakout from this resistance, it can imminently move at the resistance of the bigger down channel that is formed on this weekly time frame chart. And the resistance of the down channel will be approximately here at 1.76 cents. You can see that after the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern on the 7-day time frame chart, the price line was moving inside this channel. And here, for a few weeks, the price line has been moving above the resistance of the channel after the breakout. And the target for the breakout was, by the way, here at the top of the channel, where we have a quite long-term resistance as well at 3.5 cents. And after getting rejected by this resistance and after hitting the target for the breakout, the price line re-entered the same down channel. Therefore, if the price line, if this time breaks out this down channel, that I'm expecting that after breaking out this smaller down channel, now soon it can break out this bigger down channel as well. Then again, it can hit the target for the breakout from this bigger and long-term down channel. That is again here, this target at 3.5 cents, and the target for the breakout from the smaller down channel is almost at the same level, because that is also the top of the smaller down channel as well. And if you take a look at the previous history of this very long-term resistance of 3.5 cents, then you can see that previously it had been working as a resistance here, and before that it had been working as a resistance here and as a support here and as a resistance here back in the month of Feb 2021 as well. Now on this 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And after that, the price line was stuck inside this channel. Therefore, the price line could not continue this rally to the upside. And here, when we broke out the channel, but we could not break out the downtrend and resistance of the next down channel and this resistance of 3.5 cents. Therefore, I'm expecting that as soon as the price breaks out this key resistance of 3.5 cents, then soon it can also hit the target for the breakout from this bigger falling wedge pattern as well. And that long-term target can be here at the top of the wedge somewhere between 38 cents to 40 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.